Hey folks, Jerry Corley from the Harry Robinson Buick GMC Internet VIP Department, and welcome to Test Drive Tuesday. Today I've got a 2015 GMC Sierra Double Cab 2-wheel drive SLE. It's one of the last ones we have, and it has got some huge discounts, rebates, and incentives. It's got fog lights, it's got your 8-inch color GMC IntelliLink touchscreen, cruise control, Bluetooth. It is absolutely loaded. Got some great features and options on it, including a rotary damper in the tailgate so it comes down nice and easy, and your corner step bumpers and backup camera. Normally this vehicle is over $40,000, but with these discounts and rebates and incentives, we're going to take about $7,000 off the price and sell it to you for around $33,000. To make this vehicle yours, just give us a call, 479-646-8600. Ask for the VIP department at Harry Robinson Buick GMC, and we'll take this bad boy for a spin today. Thanks for watching Test Drive Tuesday.